welcome to week 2 of me documenting my trading journey and also showing you how I'm trying to pass my propfirm account. It is currently 12:30 a.m. today, Monday, right? So this is midnight right now. This is midnight. You know what trading comes with, right? Trading comes with a lot of sleepless nights, especially when you're still struggling, just like me. So just like I said in the previous video, every Sunday I do my analysis for what I'll be doing the upcoming week. And we are now in that week right now. This is Monday and this is the first day of the week, right? I just want to update you and show you what I'll be expecting this new week. So the first pair you're looking at right now is AUD USD. So as you can see right here, AUD USD has currently shifted trend. So it's now in a bullish trend, like in the beginning stage of the bullish trend. Because as you can see here, it was making these lower highs and lower lows. You can see lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low. Then it changed character right here. So this is a shift in trend, right? So what I'll be expecting right now, since you can see this support zone right here, which also was the resistance zone around here. You can see it was a resistance zone around here too, and here as well, right? So this is a strong zone. It's a strong zone, as you can see. And there is another important pattern which so many professional traders use while trading. So this is the pattern right here. Everybody knows this pattern, the head and shoulder pattern. So as you can see, it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern. I don't know, this line is black. Let me change this line to, let's say, a more visible color like yellow. No, yellow is not visible. Oh, let me change it to like blue. All right, blue is a lot more visible. You can see right here, left shoulder, right shoulder, right? And here is the head. You can see left shoulder, right shoulder, head, and this is the neckline. So when market breaks this neckline and retests it, which it has already done right here, a break and retest of the neckline, this head and shoulder pattern always signifies reversal, trend reversal. When you want to use it, it means trend reversal, right? It's a reversal pattern. We have continuation patterns, we have reversal patterns, right? So flags and the rest of them are continuation patterns. But when you come to the M pattern, which is the double top, double bottom, and head and shoulder patterns, they are for reversals. So what am I expecting here? What am I expecting? Let me draw my trend line. So you can see this trend line right here. Watch closely. I'll wait for this market to come and break here. This market will have to come here before I'll enter for a buy. Like, it has to confirm, it has to give me some more confirmation, right? Because now it just broke here, retested. So many people would have entered from here, then placed their stop loss around here. For me, I will not enter right now because there is a way I trade. So I'll wait for this market to break there, then retest it again. I enter, then my stop loss will come to the previous higher low, right? So this higher low, that's where my stop loss will be. After it will break this one, retest it again, I enter from there. So this is what I'll be expecting for this pair, which is the AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So this is what I'll be waiting for on this pair. You can see there is also a support trend line right here. So this is just like a descending channel, right? This is an example of a descending channel. So it's a channel, but it's a descending one, and it also signifies reversal. This is another reversal pattern. When you see a descending channel, it means market is descending downwards, and when you see the market break that channel, it means market is now trying to change trend and start going bullish. Okay, now let me show you on GBP USD. So this is GBP USD right here. You can see, what am I expecting? Market is currently going up right now, right? You know, Euro USD, AUD USD, and GBP USD, they correlate with each other somehow. they correlate with each other. I might not be executing any trade right now because this is midnight and this is not my trading session, right? These are my trading session you are seeing right there on screen. London session and New York session. That is when I trade. So I don't trade when it's not during those sessions. So this is my expectation on GBP USD. Break and retest. This is my expectation here. So let me also show you that it is not just alone, it is also with a solid level. You see? So it's also with a solid level right there. Look at everything that happened here. Look at it, touched here. When price was above this zone, the zone was serving as support. But when price went below it, the zone started serving as resistance. After that, it broke again, and now it has to serve as support again, right? It has to serve as support. So now there is another thing, which is the double bottom right here. It's very clear. First bottom, neckline, then second bottom. Break the neckline, retest it, and push up. Very clear. So this is for GBP USD. I have to start running this trend to the upside. So this one is Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. So this is what I'll be looking at for this pair. You can see this trend line. This very clear trend line right there. Our market has been coming down. You can see this bearish trend. This is a bearish trend, right? So after that, market went ahead and broke the trend. This is a pure change of character. It's trying to shift to bullish. So what I'll be waiting for is for market to create another high, then retest the previous high. Very simple. Break it, retest it. So this is what I'll be looking for this pair. Alright. So as you can see, this is GBP NZD, Great British Pounds and New Zealand dollar. That is what you're seeing here, and this is what I'm expecting on this pair. As you can see, this pair is just bullish, right? It's just bullish. From here, this is an order block, right? And this zone connects to this other block, and then it also gave us a double bottom right here, showing us that it wants to continue going up. Now this is a break of structure. You can see right here, break of structure. Now when it calls it down here and goes back to break this one, then retest it, this is how I'll be trading on this pair. Alright, this is GBP JPY. As you can see, it's in a bullish trend. This market has been in a bullish trend, very clear bullish trend, higher highs and higher lows, right? So but I don't really know how it will play out right now, but let me see if it will go and break this high. If it goes break this high, retest it, that's where I'll be interested in this market. Alright, this is Euro CHF, and you can see everybody knows that this is an order block, right? So market went and grabbed this order block and it's now trying to push higher, right? As you can see, it's struggling to break this zone right here. So what I'll be expecting here, as usual, very simple. Just break here, retest it, and boom. So this is one of the best trades I'm looking at right now, Euro CHF. You can see like everything right here, all the confluence right here are matching. They are just matching. The trend line is just a flag, right? The trend line is a flag, which if it breaks and retests the flag, there's no way it won't go up, right? It has a 60%, 70% chance of going to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting on Euro CHF. Perfect setup. Zealand, right? So this one is Euro NZD. That is Euro New Zealand dollar, right? Now you can see what I'm looking at here. This market is in a bearish trend. It's going down. But you can see this zone right here. This is an order block. So maybe it will just reverse up from this other block. It's currently here. So this is a support zone, a support level. So since it's currently here, there's no reason for me to be selling or to be entering for a sell trade. But I'll do that when it comes and break here, right? When it breaks this level, then retest it. So it has to do something like this. Then I'll be interested in entering this trade. So as you can see right here too, this one is Euro GBP. So market has been in a bearish trend. You can see lower highs and lower lows. So it created this lower low right here. Now it's creating lower high right around here. So I'll be entering this trade like this. When it comes here, break here and retest it. It also has to break this zone. As you can see, there is a very strong zone around here. And when it breaks this zone, retest here, I'll be interested in entering this trade, right? So this is for Euro GBP. So this one is Euro AUD, that's Euro versus Australian dollar, right? So as you can see, this market is currently in a bearish trend and something is happening. Now look at, let me draw this zone. This market has just broken this zone. Watch what is happening around here. You can see market came here, touched this zone multiple times, right? Then it came here to touch the zone, serving as support, right? And it's now serving as resistance right here. I'll expect this market to come back and break here. Now, so many people will jump in from here, but I won't, because that's not how I do it. I'll wait for it to just prove that, yeah, it's ready to go. If you enter from here, some of the times, it will just break this zone back up again and start pushing up. But if you wait for it to confirm, like that's full confirmation. With multiple pairs, you'll be finding multiple trades, right? But how do you filter them? You filter those trades by waiting for the ones with the best confirmation. That is the advantage of trading multiple pairs. So this is what I'll be waiting for this market to come break here, retest it again, then that will be my full confirmation. Then my stop loss will be on top here, right? So that's what I'll be looking for on this pair. Now this one is Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, that's AUD JPY. So what am I looking at here? This market was trying to go up, but it shifted to bearish trend. It shifted trend around here. Now you can see this is a clear double top right here. But this double top, in some cases, it might not be very accurate. So how will I be trying to enter this trade? Because I'm also seeing something like a liquidity grab, right? This thing looks like a liquidity grab right here. Market just tricked everyone, making them feel like it wants to go down, but it didn't. It started going up. That is the liquidity grab, grabbing a lot of liquidity, right? Which means this market might as well try to be going up, but we don't know. That's why we just look for probabilities that will go in our favor. This market might end up going bullish later on, right? Let's not exaggerate. Let's just wait and see what happens. Because I wouldn't be entering any trade until I see something like this, break out and retest here. So you can see when it breaks out and retests this zone, I'll be jumping in for a buy. If my stop loss is quite huge, I go for 2 to 1. But if my stop loss is a little bit okay, I go for 3 to 1. If it is a little bit tight, I go for 4 to 1, right? So that is how I do it. So I can even go for 2 to 1 right here, since this stop loss is a little bit huge. But if in case this market doesn't do what we expect, what I'm expecting, so there is no trade. There's no trade. It's even better that it just didn't try to play our mind. It just gave us a clear proof that it doesn't want to go bullish, that it is what going to the bearish side. But if later on it does what I'm expecting, then that's good, right? That's good. I can now be on the trade with peace of mind. So that's it, man. But if it doesn't do that, just relax and keep watching. After all, we have other pairs lined up, so we are not rushing any pair. Let it just do what it wants to do. I'm not rushing anything. So that's it for now, guys. That's it for now. This is still midnight. This is 1:25 a.m. right now. 1:25 a.m. I'm filming this video at midnight. So I need to just get some sleep and wait for tomorrow. I'll update you in the morning if I find anything. Let me catch some sleep of about 2 hours, 3 hours, or even 4 hours. Then, if I enter any trade in the morning, I'll update you. Alright? So, good night.